Welcome back to Let's Roger That, everybody. Just a quick tip for you today. If you got one of these old Starrett test indicator holder for your surface plate, they're really nice. They're fairly inexpensive on eBay, or you can buy new ones, whatever. But unfortunately, the holders were made for imperial size holders, so all these little holes don't fit the screws that go in the back of your test indicator, one of these. So I measured it, measured this, measured the hole, and the small hole is about 2/1000ths of an inch smaller than the top stem of this cap screw. So this is an M4. So I just simply took the head, chopped it off, put that in a lathe, turned down 2/1000ths of an inch, and all of a sudden I've got one of these which fits perfectly into this hole. And so now I'm going to have a nice rigid setup, heck, it comes in black. It's cool. See, and there's the final result. It just gives a nice longer stem, and it's sturdy. So a little bit more reach, a little more versatile. Works for me. So anyway, that's your tip for today, folks. Take care. Please like and subscribe. Send me your ideas in the comments. Cheers.